Namaste, Vanakkam. I want to thank all of our users, customers for helping us reach this very impressive milestone of 100 million users worldwide. This is an impressive milestone for any company, but particularly one sweet one for us as a bootstrapped company, having never raised any external money. I want to thank all of you, our customers, our users worldwide, for helping us reach this milestone, for trusting us with your usage, trusting us with your business. I really want to thank all of you. And we are not done yet. We have an impressive set of innovations in the pipeline for the next 5 years, 10 years and beyond. We are investing in deep technologies so that you can help us reach the 1 billion milestone. That is our goal. We are working hard towards it. And we want to thank all of you for your continued support. Thank you very much.
Before we jump into the webinar, we thought we can give you a quick overview of Zoho because we see a good number of folks are new users. So this information would be useful. Zoho is a technology company with a long-term vision. We are into the software business for over 25 plus years. So we have apps in all major categories and 90 million users and 12,000 employees. And we have offices in over 15 different countries across the globe. So this is a quick snapshot of the Zoho apps and the Zoho ecosystem. So starting with our CRM, finance, HRMS. So you name any category, there is a Zoho app for you. And our vision is to serve as the operating system for business. So that is what we are trying to achieve with Zoho One, a tightly integrated suite with which you can run your entire business operations. So Zoho Vault is part of Zoho Suite, and it was launched in 2013. So we passed a decade, and we are very happy to cross 10 years of our existence and serve customers and businesses across the globe. So today's session is around passwordless authentication for cloud apps with Zoho Vault. My name is Mauli. I am one of the product experts here, and I also have Christopher along with me. Hi, Christopher.
Hello, Molly. Hello, everyone. Thank you very much for joining this session today.
Thank you, Christopher. And we also have Tanveer in the panel. So he takes care of the Q&A panel. So if you have any questions while I and Christopher present the session, Tanveer would be happy to answer them. And yeah, we take turns and answer your questions. First thing first, we are recording this entire session and we will share the recording and also the slide deck with you. So no worries about that question. And you can post your questions using Q&A, and there is also a new option, raise your hands. So just raise your hands using the Zoho meeting. So we can give you audio controls. So you can post your questions, ask your question directly, and we can answer them instantly. This is our agenda for today's session. First, we will see a quick overview of Zoho Vault, followed by passwordless authentication, few use cases, and Q&A. The major problem that we all face today is we have a lot of applications, either be personal or business. An average American user uses over 50 different applications. When it comes to personal and businesses both, we have a lot of these applications, and all these applications are guarded by passwords, and it is humanly impossible to remember a lot of password ourselves, right? So we all tend to take the help of sticky notes, spreadsheets, and text files, browsers, the easy and the lazy methods, right? So we are all humans. So we end up using the same password, like passwords of our pets, passwords of our spouse, birthday, some combination, and we also share it poorly via Microsoft Teams or Zoho Click. Some companies even go ahead, print them, and paste it on the devices. So Zoho Vault is an application that helps businesses to securely store, share, and manage passwords from any time. So apart from passwords, you can also store documents within Zoho Vault, meaning your software licenses, SSH keys, any document that is less than 2 MB, which should be confidential and secure, that can be stored in your Zoho Vault application. There is no limit when it comes to the number of passwords and documents. You can literally store unlimited number of documents and password in your Zoho Vault application. So not just password management, so Zoho Vault also offers you advanced features like multiple levels of password sharing, data breach reports, comprehensive audit trials and reports. So by all this, IT admins can get a clear picture of who accessed which password and when. And the application is built on top of APIs, meaning you can integrate Zoho Vault with all popular applications and also build custom integrations. So for a security app, it is also important to be compliant with laws like GDPR, CCPA, and HIPAA. Zoho Vault readily complies with all these regulations. So we also offer multi-factor authentication and role-based access to give you a secure access. And the app comes bundled with a lot of higher integration or advanced integrations with your help desk system, CM services, and passwordless authentication. So being a security application, you should be interested to know the architecture of the program. So this is the quick snapshot of Zoho Vault security architecture. On your left, you could see the number of ways from where you can access Zoho Vault. You can directly access Vault from your browser or using a browser extension or using any device or mobile applications. So what happens here? When you create an account, you create a master password. And this master password is used to encrypt and decrypt your data. And this master password is not stored anywhere in our servers. So when you access Zoho Vault, you need to enter your master password every single time. And this data gets encrypted on the client side in your browser or mobile device or the extension. And only the encrypted data gets transmitted over HTTPS securely and stored in our servers in USA or Europe or India based on your preference. So by this way, we are able to offer 100% security and privacy. Not just that, we also offer multi-factor authentication. So if you have Zoho Vault, so Zoho OneAuth is Zoho's multi-factor authentication application. So it is free and comes bundled with Zoho Vault as well and Zoho One. So you can use Zoho OneAuth along with Zoho Vault, and also for other applications like Twitter, Office 365, or Google, it is completely free. So the application is cross-platform compatible, so meaning you can access it from your desktop or mobile or your iPad or Apple Watch. So for an application like Zoho Vault, it should also be available in the extension, meaning you don't need to enter or access the Zoho Vault web interface every single time. You can just install this extension to any of these popular browsers and do all the password management activities quickly. So Zoho Vault readily offers extension for all browsers like Chrome, Firefox, and Edge.